Another coverage you have the option of purchasing is rental reimbursement coverage. And rental reimbursement coverage allows you to rent a vehicle and have your insurance policy cover the payment when you're in an accident. I'm going to break down this coverage and list some things to consider when you're renting a vehicle. The rental reimbursement coverage can be used if your vehicle is non-drivable due to an accident. The coverage is broken down into two parts. The first part is the amount that the insurance company will pay per day for the vehicle that you're renting. When you rent a vehicle from Enterprise, Alamo, Thrifty, or any rental car company, they charge you per day for the vehicle, and the different vehicles have different prices depending on the type of vehicle that you rent. An economy car may cost you around $30 a day, while a luxury car may cost you around $50 a day. The second part of the coverage is the total amount that the insurance company will pay when you rent a vehicle. So for example, if you use your insurance and rent an economy car for $30 a day, then you can rent that economy car for 20 days since the total amount that your insurance will pay is $600. Now, if you are not at fault for an accident and the other person's insurance company has accepted liability and is handling your damages, they will give you a rental vehicle when your vehicle is non-drivable and or when it goes into the shop for repairs. No matter if you rent through your insurance company or the person who is at fault's insurance company, the rental car company will ask if you want to purchase what is called additional rental car coverage for the time that you're in the rental vehicle. The additional rental car coverage is basically an insurance policy that protects the rental car while you're driving it when your vehicle is getting repaired. Now, your insurance company nor the person who is at fault's insurance company will pay for the additional rental car coverage. Your policy is not going to pay for the additional rental car coverage, nor is the policy of the other party that is at fault for the accident. Technically, the other party doesn't owe for the insurance that's on the vehicle because they didn't damage the insurance that's on the vehicle. They only damaged the car that you were driving, not the actual insurance policy. The rental car coverage usually comes to about $10 to $13 a day. If you don't opt for the rental car coverage, then your own insurance policy will cover you and the rental car while you're using it. Something to know about using your own insurance policy while you're renting a vehicle is that it works just like you were using your policy on your own car. So if you get into an accident while you're in the rental vehicle, the claim will go on your policy. Also, if you return the vehicle with any scratches or damages, the rental car company has the right to place a claim on your insurance policy if you don't purchase the additional rental car coverage. I always recommend walking around the car and noting any damages before you pick up the car and after you turn the car in. Never use the after-hours drop-off if you can help it. A lot of claims get filed when people drop the rental vehicles back off after hours. This is just a basic explanation of your rental car coverage and some things to know about renting a vehicle during an insurance claim. If you like the video, share it with a friend. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you for allowing the Insurance Quotient to keep you informed.